So, okay, guys, we're gonna wrap this up actually with a video where I'm going to show you. And this video was sent to me just like 30 minutes before this call. So this is the second time I see it, and this will show you the exchange, how to register on the exchange, how to deposit coins from your back office to the exchange, and also how to withdraw coins from the exchange to your back office. And this video is 7 minutes, and I hope you can see the screen here. I truly hope so, and I think so. Otherwise, you in the chat group, the GLG Zoom chat group, will tell me that it's possible or not. So I will play it for you. It's completely silent, and I will try to explain a little bit on how it works. So basically, here is the sign up. There's nothing strange. This is the way you sign up in basically everything you do. And we will just take it step by step, and you will see what it looks like. As you can see, there are no logos, which is also a point. And there will be a company training on this. So everything regarding the exchange and how it works and how you do will be presented to you in a correct and good way, so that everyone knows what to do. And these pictures are, of course, to take away all the robots that is on internet. So you have to choose. And after this sign up, you will of course receive an email, a verification email. You go to your email, you will verify the exchange. And then you have a successfully made account, and it's verified. For some people, this is very, very easy, and for some people, it's a bit harder, but the network is there to help you. And then you're logged in. And here you can see the exchange user IDs, where you can copy the address. Now we are back on the back office, and send OneCoins to the exchange. And here you will choose what kind of amount you will send. Enter the address, and then of course your transaction password. This is why it's very important for you. I can see that someone is willing to log in to try this. I don't think it's possible right now to do it. They haven't placed this function yet. And they can see that 0.4 coins are transferred. And this shows that we have a connection with all the systems. This is the back office, then there is an exchange, and of course we have a blockchain, and this is a connection also to the blockchain. We'll follow step by step because it's pending. This is made live, so that's why it takes some time to go ahead. There you can see the status is approved. So now there's coins sent. We can see in the history what's have been done, and the status is completed. There you have wallet and balance, KYC, and also the history. What we will see soon is also a withdrawal from the exchange to our back office. And there is no need to ask a lot of questions regarding this at the moment, because as I said, I have seen this once before you, so I do not have all the questions yet, but for sure the questions will be answered. when people have gotten the proper education and proper training. You can also see that there is several coins. There is not only our coin. So here is the withdrawal. You can see the address. Just copy the address, put it in, and then the amount of coins you want to send. So basically, these steps are very, very easy to do, but some people who are not very good or doesn't like the computer might do these kind of things with someone who already done it to get the proper help. There's 2 minutes left. You can see here that you can also activate a two-factor authentication, which is to do in most of the cases. Let's see, now we change slides and the withdrawal was accepted. And as I said, everything is done live and it's only 7 minutes to deposit coins to the exchange and then to withdraw coins from the exchange. And you can see it's also dated on today's date. So this is nothing that is done a long way before. It's dated today. You can see that withdrawal is pending. Let's see what happens. You can see that they try to update the page. So right now, we are actually at the moment where we have everything in order. And what you all know and what you all have seen is that there are some coins sent to the central bank for approval. And we need that approval to start operation. But everything is in order. And you can see here that the connections work perfectly. Stress tests are done. And what many people have misunderstood is that when the company launches these exchange updates, it's very, very important that you read them and understand them before you start talking to people how things will work. What I can hear, you can see it's approved right now. What I can hear right now is that the limits will be $10,000. So you can sell for $10,000 each month. But the truth is that the limits from the central bank are $10,000 each month, which need to be applied with the limits that is already built in. So we do not know 100% sure before we have gotten the training, which is very, very important. So please do not spread a lot of fake things regarding this that we are not 100% sure of. It's very, very important. And also with these kinds of webinars that a lot of people can see. I saw that we are live on Facebook with several thousands of people. It's very important that we spread the right information. And if we do not have the right information, get hold of the right information, or please do not speak at all. I think we all can agree on that. So basically, this is the video where you have seen now the connections and that we have an exchange and that it's connected with the blockchain. So no doubt about that. You can see someone is trying to take remote of the control, which I do not allow. And I just want to say thank you for being patient. We have gone over time with, I think, like 30 minutes right now. But we will be back next Wednesday together with a Zoom room that we can work with properly. And to end up this webinar, last week we started a Facebook group, and this Facebook group is for everyone. And it's very, very important that you find this Facebook group, and it's called OneCoin Exchange/updates official channel. So OneCoin Exchange, if you search for OneCoin Exchange, you will find that group. So please get in touch of that, and you will get the latest news and the latest updates that we have. So thank you very, very much, everyone. And let's be in touch next Wednesday. And thank you, all the speakers. You've done an incredible job. So we will give you all the information and all the slides that has been presented here. Take care now, and have a nice weekend. Have a nice evening, morning, or day, wherever you are. Goodbye.
Spengo io la sala, allora chiudo io e poi